Africa. I'm a woman, an African American, the queen, an OG, a person that's long ago already paid her dues in life, in the streets of Naptown where I still consider my home, down and loyal to the gangsters, drug dealers, gamblers, whores, and hustlers whom loved me and abused me by my naive choice and copy. I painted a $15,000 RH sectional. And now I'm spraying it down with a water hose in my garage. Believe it or not, I can hardly believe it. Had to get a stool so I could get to the top. I laid it on the more shallow side. Power's not good on the pressure. So instructions say to rinse the Rit dye till the water runs clear. What a dye. Then I will be back once the water runs clear. Okay, sorry I didn't go in order, but I rinsed the other two couches. This chair, as you can see, I'm painting it one more time because I didn't finish it. I had ran out of Rit dye. So what you're seeing, those lines in the lighter area, that is where I first painted it with the DIY chalk paint diluted 1:4, and the DIY is very expensive and I didn't think the color was dark enough, so now I'm doing the Rit, as you can see right there. These other two have been rinsed and now they are in the process of drying. I had some brush strokes that they're just not coming out of the fabric. No matter how I rinsed it, probably for almost 2 hours, an hour, 30 minutes each one. So tomorrow after this one dries, I will rinse it and hopefully those brush strokes from previous paint won't show.